Hey y'all, I am back. I am late. I do apologize for the delay in my videos. Life has been going pretty quick. I've been still doing a lot of traveling back and forth between the West Coast and the East Coast. And then, I had family come over when I finally got back home on the East Coast, so it's been a little minute. But let's get straight into it. This is going to be my 6-month lock update, which there's really no reason in me even doing this because my 7th month will be literally next week. But I do want to show you guys how my hair looks right now. I had put a quick weave in and I didn't like it. So I took the quick weave out. So I just want to show you guys how my hair look after I wash it and just do the front. I just retwisted the front. I did nothing to the back or anything like that. And my hair still has some glue from the quick weave in there because currently right now I'm visiting my mom. So she don't have all the products that I use. So I gotta wait till I get back home to do me like a little deep conditioning and stuff like that on my hair to get all that stuff out of my hair. But for the time being, just until I go back home in a few days, I wanted to do a quick little retwist at the front so I won't be walking around looking crazy. So this is how the retwist looks. Like I said, I literally just did the front. And my hair is really shrunken up because I didn't even give my hair time to air dry because it was late at night when I decided to take the quick weave out and, do all this. So I basically retwisted it and put a scarf on there in the bonnet so my hair is shrunk up. So this is not the actual length of my hair. But anyways, this is in its shrunken state. So, but yeah, this is what I did. And as you can see, like I said, with the glue, right there. So I gotta do a little TLC. Yeah, right there. That's really bad. I definitely gotta do a little TLC on my hair when I get home, which is in a couple days. So I'm not really too concerned about it because I'm leaving in like the next 2 days to go back home. But yeah, that's how it looks. And this is just a water retwist, no products or nothing, which I might do that for my next retwist. Just do this little water retwist thing with some oil. But anyways, I'll show you guys. Let's do this, get into this 360. Alright, so that's pretty much it for my 6-month lock update. My birthday is coming up next week, which will also be, towards the end of that week, will also be my 7th month lock update. So I will come on and actually give you guys a 7-month lock update as well. It's just that I'll probably have my hair pinned up for my birthday. I'm thinking of doing this little faux lock bun type thing for my hair. My daughter. But anyway. But yeah, I just want to show you guys how my hair look on a shrunken state with just a light little retwist. But yeah, this is my 6-month lock update, and I will be posting a video. It probably won't be next week, but it'll be the following week when I come back home from my trip to Cali for me and my daughter's birthday. But yeah, peace, love, and hair grease.